friends, let's start making this beautiful coconut rice, sweet coconut rice or Narali Bhat. Now for this I've taken 1.5 cup of rice. I've taken basmati, I've washed it and soaked it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I've boiled about 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add this rice and we're going to cook it till it's parboiled. That is, it shouldn't be completely cooked, it should be just a little bit undercooked. And then I'm just going to strain out all the excess water and keep the rice aside. Now our rice is ready. Let me take you through the other ingredients. Now here I have a cup of freshly grated coconut, a cup of sugar, 4 cloves, about an inch of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms or elaichi. I've just ground them to a powder. Some few saffron strands of kesar which I've soaked in some warm milk, and some almonds to just garnish our dish with. Now here in a pan I've heated about 2.5 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, and once it heats up I'm going to add the cloves and the cinnamon. That will nicely flavor the ghee. Now I'm going to add my freshly grated coconut and I'm going to fry this for at least about 5 to 7 minutes till the coconut, you get the lovely aroma of the coconut. Let it get nicely fried, in this lovely flavored ghee or toop or clarified butter. So the color also will change to just a little bit of a light golden brown. So this is very important if you want the rice to have the beautiful flavor of the coconut. So we're going to fry this. Now I'm going to add my cardamom powder or my elaichi powder and mix that in well. Now the sugar goes in. Now we're going to roast this or fry this till all of the sugar completely dissolves. We don't want any of the sugar granules in the rice. So we're going to again just fry it or saute it for about 5 to 7 minutes till all of the sugar and the coconut comes together very, very well. So this is also a very important step. So 5 to 7 minutes. And use freshly grated coconut for this dish because it really elevates the flavor of this dish. So like I said, another 5 to 7 minutes in frying or roasting or sauteing the coconut with the spices and the sugar. Now for those of you who don't have access to fresh coconut, I'm sure I'm going to get questions on that. Yes, you can go with desiccated coconut. I mean, if you don't have fresh coconut, what are you going to do? So, you can use it. Now I'm going to add the rice. Now see that the rice has come to, room temperature. Now I'm going to add my saffron milk. And don't stir the mixture very much, just very lightly lift it up because we don't want the grains to get mushy. That is why we parboil the basmati rice. Now I'm going to cover and cook this, and in intervals I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir. So I'm going to cover and cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes. This is a lovely dish, friends, and do try it out. And today being Narali Pournima, I said this is the best dish to make. I also have my coconut barfi recipe, or as you call it, Naralachya Vadya. I will leave the link below. You can go and try it out. So now our rice is nicely cooked. I've switched off the heat and I'm just going to garnish it with some lovely chopped up almonds. You can also add kishmish or cashew nuts or any dry fruits of your choice. And now all we have to do is just serve it nice and hot.